Alma of the Airwaves, lucky of the orange couch. It is March 4th. It's a Thursday. And today you'll see the birds back in the park. My Frida. I'm working on that. In one of the workshops, here is what the teacher said, an artist said. Look, if you keep painting and painting and correcting and painting, and at one point you're going to reach a point where your painting is not getting any better or any worse. It's just getting different. This is the moment you stop and you go to your next painting. Seriously, there must be a moment where we can put down the, you know that my kindergarten art is meant not to be finished ever. So if you want to have it, then you can continue painting and you can finish it yourself. Just an idea, not an excuse, just an idea, because I will keep painting. Okay, we cooked a few things which you're gonna see following. I have no complaints. Like what is there to complain about? In this lockdown, I can cook every single day, something I absolutely enjoy doing. I can paint as much as I want. I can vacuum the grate indoors. So no complaints. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is already Friday. Time is flying on top of everything. Have a beautiful day and enjoy everything you decide to do. On the menu today, it is March 4th. Look at this zucchini with tarragon and my beautiful potatoes. Oh, okay, I might add some apples. Only salt, black pepper, tarragon, and lots of olive oil. Okay, and ready. Now we can have these potatoes and zucchini with noodles. More cooking. This is going to be a big chicken broth. Plenty of chicken under the onion and celery. And here it is. Huge amount of chicken broth. It's so healthy. Then you can drink it all day.